So now I will show you how we can create finishing toolpath for the OD turning. Okay, go to the turning toolpath and here I will show you the finishing option. So select on that and then select the curve. This is the start curve. Sorry, we will select this curve and change the direction. We have to go that side from this face, top view, and this is the last curve. Perfect, and then say OK. So now I will use different kind of tool, this type of tool, so we can create a finishing toolpath in one shot for all this area. So I will use VNMG insert. So I will show you that which insert I am using, that is VNMG 1604.8. so I will use 0.4 corner radius insert, and here I will select the tool number, feed rate 0.05 and RPM 500 to 1000, and I will use CSS. Finish parameter I will give finish step over only one passes. Okay, so you can see now it is creating straight passes, right? Because we forgot to active plunge parameter method. Plunge parameter, active this method. Okay, and then say regenerate. So it will create all the passes in one shot. So you can see this is the complete finishing toolpath with VNMG 1604.4 insert. So you can see how easily we can create the programs. So also you can use dynamic canned cycles. This is general cycle, so this is non-editable program. If you need editable program, then you can use canned cycle. So I will show you that thing also. So I will select on that rough. This is for canned cycle, right? I will select the last wireframe and then say OK. So I will use the same tool. I will give the canned rough parameter 1 mm of clearance in X, 1 mm of clearance in Z, depth 1 mm, and then say OK. So it will create a simple passes toolpath. So if you will use this program, so you will be able to edit the cycle, because it will give the output in G71, G73, G76. I will show you the output. So if you need G code, so you can click here G1. I will select ask. Okay, now I will post that on desktop and then say OK. So you will get the G code. So let's check it. So you can see this is the canned cycle. So it is giving some errors because of there may be some errors. We will check that. So I think we are using default post processor, so I will change the post processor. So let's check it. So it is lathe default mm, so it is also okay. Okay, so let's try this toolpath. We will click on the G1 and then say alright. Okay, now so you can see code has been generated, but it is in general cycle. You will get lengthy type programs. It is non-editable, but you can use that. It will not give you any error. You can use this program also. So there is multiple options available. If you have to create group program for this area, so you can create that. So there is multiple options available. So I will show you the final finishing toolpath. I will delete this canned cycle. I will select this, and one more thing I will show you, that is drilling. So I will click on this drill. So suppose we have to use this tool 40 mm dia. So I will select that. I will give the feed rate, RPM and tool number. Here you can give the depth. So I will give depth only 48 mm and drill point x0 z0, clearance 5 mm fine. I will use peg drilling. I will use 2 mm of depth of cut and then say OK. So you can see we have created the drilling program also. I will play that. So this is drilling programs. So easily you can create that. Perfect. So now I will show you the simulation. Verify. It's processing. So I will make it slower and then say play. So this is dynamic roughing and the last one is for finishing. So this is drilling toolpath. So we have almost covered facing toolpath, OD turning toolpath, OD finishing toolpath, OD dynamic roughing toolpath and the drilling toolpath.